Are you ready to supercharge your customer engagement and streamline your marketing efforts? In this tutorial, we will dive into the world of ManyChat, where you will learn how to create interactive and automated conversations that can boost your business like never before. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your skills, let's transform the way you connect with your audience. Ready to get started? So let's go. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use ManyChat.com and get started with it. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into ManyChat.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is ManyChat? ManyChat is a chatbot platform that allows businesses to create automated conversations on messaging apps like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and SMS. It helps streamline customer interactions, enabling businesses to engage with their audience, answer inquiries, send promotions, and nurture leads without needing constant manual input. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, ManyChat empowers marketers to enhance customer experience and drive sales through conversational marketing. So here we have a various information you have to know what we have enlisted the power of chat marketing, drive more sales and conversion on Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger using automation. Then if you scroll down, you'll find here Instagram DMS, answer every single question, comment, and story reply 7 per 24 hours to attract more leads, increase sales, and drive higher conversion on EG. Then you have your WhatsApp. Also use WhatsApp automation to help customers discover products, to drive order information, and deliver customer support all on autopilot. You have your Facebook Messenger. ManyChat for Messenger automates conversations to full more sales, generate leads, automate fakes, and run marketing campaigns. We have also other information like use chat marketing to drive more sales on autopilot. Then we have a supercharge your lead generation, increase conversion rates by up to 90%, automatically respond to every message, claim back your time and slash your costs, no teach experience, no worries. And we have a discover why plus 1 million brands trust ManyChat. We have also, if we scroll down the steps here, get started with ManyChat, sorry. So we have the first step, which is join over than 1 million smart brands and sign up for a risk-free trial. We have the second step, which is use our template gallery to create a customized chat marketing campaign in as little as 15 minutes. Then we have the third step and the last step, leverage your social media channel to generate more conversion, sales, and revenue 7 per 24. Then you have just to get started, but before let's know if it is for free. So here we have just a ManyChat plan that's right for you. Here we have it's for free. Get started with access to ManyChat basic features to engage up to 1000 contacts free of charge. Here we have get started, no credit card or charge card required. We have here channel access, Instagram direct messages, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp. You have your key features, automate conversations, limited custom flows to engage up to 1000 contacts, acquire new customers, access basic growth tools to drive leads to automation. Then we have segmented contacts, 10 customer tags. So this is it. And if we come back here, and you have just to click over get started, and you'll find this page. You have just here to choose between the thing that you want or the application, or what channel would you like to start with. Oh, don't worry, you can connect other channels later. So we have the first one, which is Instagram. As you can see here, we have Facebook, also Messenger. About Instagram, supercharge your social media marketing with Instagram automation. Facebook Messenger, we have create Facebook Messenger automation to keep customers happy. You have WhatsApp here, choose the most popular mobile messaging app in the world and reach 2 billion users. You have your Telegram, power up your business with Telegram automation. So once you choose, you will find the home page here. So this is the dashboard. As you can see here, we have the 3 steps that you have to follow to get started with it. So the first one, we have your sell products in DMS, send a product line up in Instagram DMS, generate leads with stories, and you have used limited time offers and your stories to convert leads. You have recognize questions and DM with EA, identify and respond to common user queries. The first step, which is products in DMS, we have your business value. You've got products, like a lot of products. They could be digital or affiliate market products. Free sources are your new line of scented soap clean clay. Now you have it now just get them in front of your followers in as many places as possible. Then we have here how does it work. You can earn real money from Instagram as easy as a comment and show off the products you have in a school level product gallery. You'll give your followers what they want and show them what else you've got to offer right in the team box. Then you click for setup template and you'll find this page, as you can see. So here we have this one. We have to link your account on Instagram, and we have the second one here. As you can see, also the same thing. And we have the last one, which is this one. This one we have here other things like add one of the contact blocks, text, add simple text and buttons. Then we have an image, post engagement with visuals, delay, wait a few seconds in between texts. Then we have your data collection, collect emails, phones, and more. You have more here for all available options. Then we have the second one, which is generate leads with stories. Business value are some of your followers just like yours. You have all got those fans who only pick at our stories and nothing more. This template allows you to engage them where they are most active. Then we have here how does it work. Promote your favorite lead generating offer like a webinar course, waitlist or giveaway, whatever in your story and spark a two-way conversation while collecting data on more leads. Finally, your stories can do more work for you in their short 24-hour life. Click over Sub template and you'll find this page, as you can see. So this is the same thing, but you have to connect channel. Then you have also this one. So I hope you are interested in joining my masterclass. Could be send me your email and phone number so that I can send you a reminder. And we have the last one. As you can see, where you are here, you have just select text, image, delay, data collection, or more. So then we have recognized questions in DM with EA, identify and respond to common user inquiries. Then we have to describe the topic and write the answer for the question. You can add images, videos, and link. So this is how it works. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.